Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Yoga with Marycarmen. That is my name. If this is your first time joining us live, I welcome you. And if you've been here before and or you're watching the recorded version, it's okay. I welcome you too. I'm really excited to just be offering this and this opportunity to be in your home. So thank you so much. It is an honor. Today we're working on a very gentle morning flow, and I'm gonna call it sunrise yoga because it is that type of yoga. It is to wake you up to get you ready for the day. So without any further ado, let's begin. We are going to begin by standing on our yoga mats. So go ahead and take a moment here to feel your spine long, shoulder blades move back, right underneath your feet. You're feeling your yoga mat. And just put your hands to your heart center and connect with your breath from this place. Take an inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale. And as you exhale, start designing in your own head how you want to go through this day. Some of the emotions that you would like to acknowledge during this day: happiness, freedom, love, kindness, whatever it is that you want to experience this day, regardless of the circumstances your life is under. Set that intention here. How can you find those feelings throughout your day? And then from here, next inhale, open the eyes and bring the arms up into the sky. And as you exhale, slowly bring the hands through your heart center, through your spine, coming all the way down, bending at the waist. And we're going to take this one very slow. So go ahead and let the hands just hang here. You can separate the feet a little bit more so they're about hip width distance apart. And just start feeling here your upper body. If you want to grab the elbows, and then let's just allow the upper body to hang side to side. Go there. Inhaling and exhaling as you just wave this side to side. Feels so good. We're waking up the body here. Now go ahead and place those hands down to the floor. And go ahead and place one of the hands down. If you can't place the hand all the way down, go ahead and just place the fingertips. But that same hand, that same side, go ahead and bend that knee. The other leg is straight as it can be. And that hand of that straight leg is free. As you inhale, you start rotating, opening up into the sky, reaching the fingers. Notice that hip also getting activated. And as you exhale, slowly bring that down, soften that knee, straighten the other knee, and let's go to the other side. Inhale, reach, lengthening. One more inhale as you reach. And as you exhale, bring it all the way down. Nice. Now walk the hands to the front and walk the feet towards the back. Pressing the hips up into the sky, finding your downward facing dog here, bending one knee and then the other. Oh, I felt those shoulders. Oh wow, they made a lot of noise. Don't know if you could hear that. But that means they're opening, pressing in between the index finger and the thumb as I do this, and feeling the back of the leg, getting that nice stretch. Press that chest through if you can to go just a little bit deeper. Nice. And then from here, inhale, bring the heels off the ground. And as you exhale, only bring the chest through. See if you can feel your spine lengthening a little bit more. Press those hips a little bit higher into the sky as you bring the chest through the shoulder blades even more. Take another inhale. And as you exhale, heels back and down. Nice.
Now from here, bend the knees, bend them a lot. Sit all the way on the back of the heels, looking between the hands. Inhale. And as you exhale, just lengthen the legs, press the hips up into the sky, saying hello to our knees. Inhale. Exhale, bend the knees, looking between the hands, sit all the way back on those heels. Feeling that spine lengthening. And then bring the heels down, hips up into the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Take it down. Take it low here. And then from here, lift slightly only to place one of the feet in between those hands. And then the back heel comes down. And then notice from here, we're not going too deep into this lunge here. We're preparing for warrior one, by the way. But we're going to take it very slow on this one. We're lifting, activating that front leg. And we're lifting all the way very slowly. And then when we get to the top, then we add the arms. Inhale, warrior one is here. Shoulders away from the ears. The arms are active. The hips are finding their way. Relax the shoulders. Take it very gentle here, but making sure that front knee is tracking forward and on top of the heel or behind. Inhale. As you exhale, let's visit warrior two now. Something very gentle, soft. So let the arms just lengthen. I'm showing you off my new blouse, by the way. Inhale. Exhale. Soften a little bit more. Just kidding. Nice. And then from here, let that back hand come all the way up into the front. Inhale. Reach up into the sky. See if you can take a very gentle back bend from here. Very gentle. And as we exhale, just lower it all the way down to the floor. The back heel comes off the floor, and now we are in our lunge position. But you're welcome to drop that back knee down, taking it gentle this morning. Totally fine. You're still waking up the body, so listen to your body. And then from here, just take an upper body twist. So that arm that's towards that knee, we're going to lift it and feel that nice twist on our spine. Waking up the spine. Inhale. Exhale. Bring it all the way down. Place that right knee behind you and find your tabletop. Now let's activate the spine a little bit more from here before we go to the other side. Inhale. We're going into cow pose. Exhale. Cat pose is here. Making sure those hands are right under the shoulders. Feel the earth beneath you, beneath your hands, beneath your knee, underneath your feet, the top of your feet. Inhale, open. Exhale. Now inhale. Let's experiment here, something different. Open through the spine and curl up the toes behind you. See how that feels on the back of the legs, pressing the heels behind. Exhale, pull the belly in with those toes curled under. See the difference? Again, inhale, open. And exhale. Nice. And then from here, uncurl up the toes. Find that tabletop. From here, we're going to curl up the toes and press the hips back into the sky. Downward facing dog is here again. And take it gentle. Take it as freely as your body needs to. So if you need to move the knees a little bit more and the hips and really feel this downward facing dog, then go there. Experiment. Have fun with this. Inhale, bend the knees. Look in front of you. This time on the exhale, let's place that other foot in between those hands. Preparing for that warrior one, but very gently. So press that back heel down. So notice my stand is not too wide. And then from here, I activate my front leg and I lift all the way up. Strong front leg. Arms up. Here's my warrior one. The back leg is straight as way. Outside edge of the foot is grabbing the earth. Inhale. Arms are up, but the shoulders are relaxed. Inhale. My hips are not all the way to the front or to the side. They're to the diagonal. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling this warrior one on this other side. Notice your body. Notice what's happening on that side.
Take another inhale, and as you exhale, let's open up into warrior two. So once again, finding that nice, gentle warrior two. This is a sunrise practice, so it should feel very good and alive. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Lengthen and squeeze the shoulder blades in the back gently as you reach the fingers outward. Feels so good. Exhale. Now from here, that hand that's behind, we're going to bring it up. Inhale. Reach. Exhale. Relax the shoulders even more. Inhale. Take a little gentle back bend from here. See if you can just look up into the sky. This might be enough for that gentle back bend, by the way. And on the exhale, release those hands. Come all the way down. Using that front leg a lot, lift the back heel off the ground and find your lunge now. So we're now lengthening the hip flexors on that other side. You can drop that knee down, top of the foot down, and prepare for that upper body twist. Inhale, reach up into the sky. Exhale, press that bottom hand and reach the fingers up into the sky. Opposite forces working for you. Inhale, one more time. And as you exhale, bring the hand all the way down. That foot comes all the way back into your box. Nice. And from here, we're going to curl up the toes and come up into downward facing dog. Once again, feeling this. You're still waking up the body, so go ahead and bend the knees. Incorporate the hips. Incorporate the upper body as you're doing this. Moving it to one side and then to the other one. Take your time here. Should feel so good and a sense of freedom. Because we're not just moving robotically, we're actually just experiencing freedom in our own body. Now from here, stand here or your feet are low to the ground. And then try to open up the legs a little bit wider than the hips. If you can bring the hands a little bit closer to your feet, even better. And we're going into another twist. One hand reaches one of the ankles and then look under your armpit. Inhale. And exhale. Twist. Feels so good. The bottom elbow is bending so that you can actually go a little bit underneath your armpit. Let's go to the other side. Place that hand firm. The other hand reaches under. Inhale. Exhale. Bend that elbow and allow for your body to go under your armpit. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. And then from here, bring the hands a little bit farther to the front. Feet a little bit closer to each other. And then we're going to activate one of the legs up into the sky. Inhale. One leg is active. As you exhale, bring it all the way through in between those front hands. Stay on those back toes. Lifting from that front leg all the way up into the sky. Inhale, reach. Nice. As you exhale, prepare for an upper body twist. Very gently, so open up the arms and just twist. Looking over to that back hand, back arm if you can. Inhale. Exhale. Now take it to the front. Inhale, very gentle back bend here. As you exhale, open up the arms into cactus form so that that heart is really open, saying hello to the sun. Our sun is not up yet here, by the way. Exhale, come all the way down, bringing that front foot all the way up into the sky with a lot of energy from that leg. Inhale, reach. And as you exhale, place it down where it was before, and let's go to the other side. Inhale, left leg. Reach, lengthen as you exhale. Bring it through. Strong intention here on that front leg. Now, stay on the back toes and lift through that front leg. Takes a lot of effort to get that leg strong. Bring the arms up into the sky. Inhale. Tracking that knee over the ankle. Relax the shoulders. Prepare for the twist on this side. Inhale. Balancing here. Exhale. Very gentle twist. You don't have to go too deep into this. Very gentle twist. Activating the digestion system now. Inhale, bring it up.
A very gentle back bend here. Take a moment. Cactus arms. So open this up. Chest is active. Elbows meeting in the back. And as you exhale, let's take it all the way down to the floor. That front leg comes all the way up with a lot of energy into the sky. Inhale. As you exhale, drop that leg down. Nice. From here, inhale. Bring it up into your plank now. Finding that nice strong plank. You can take this on your knees, my friends. From here, high to low, elbows in. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, top of the feet down, high cobra. Open through the heart. With or without a push up, come on. Take it to your level. Press it up into the sky. Downward facing dog. Again. Beautiful. Now from here, bend the knees, look forward, exhale, walk it to the front. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Now bring the hands behind, interlace the fingers if you can. Or remember, you can take a towel or a belt or something, strap, and then activate the arms up into the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. And then from here, release. Bringing it all the way up through your chair, up into the sky, the same way we began. Hands to your heart center. Beautiful. Now if you want to face me so we can end our practice, go ahead and open up the legs a little bit wider than your hips. We're going into our last pose. Inhale, reach the hands up. I told you it was going to be very fast. Exhale. Relax the hips all the way down, bending at the waist. Separate the feet as much as you need to, and go ahead and allow for the head to just hang in here. The hands are underneath the shoulders, and the elbows are bent towards the back, towards your own back. So go ahead and if you can place the crown of the head down, go there. And experience this pose. Calms anxiety. It creates a sense of calmness into your body. It is an upside down pose, a headstand with the feet connected to the earth. We're going to stay here for a moment or two just to allow everyone to find space into this place, whatever works for you. Maybe you're not all the way down on the floor with the crown of the head, and that's okay. Just take it to your level. Nice. And then from here, let's lift. Heel toe all the way underneath you. We're going to slowly bring this up. Knees are soft, arms are heavy. And we're moving slowly all the way up. Shoulders move back. I like to smile because it is a new day, a new beginning. Shoulders are back. Inhale up into the sky. As you exhale, hands to your heart center. And this is the end of our practice this morning. If you need to do a little bit more, you're welcome to do that. But this is just a 15-minute practice to get you going in your day. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. And you can continue here sitting on your mat or on your back for your Savasana. From my heart to yours. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.